In this video, we will show you how to install our Pro version on your WordPress website, as well as how to install the license key. So first of all, you need to go to a Themefic client portal, which is this address, and then you click sign in. Then you need to log in using the customer credentials sent to your email. You add the credentials and you log in. It will take you to this package. Now you click downloads. Here you will see the product you purchased. For example, this dummy customer account purchased these 3 products. That's why it's showing like this. So I'm downloading this product. You can save it. Now you'll also need to get the license key. So for that, you need to get the license key tab. Let me show you how to do that. So if you click the license key tab, it will take you here. So here you will see all your license keys of the product you've purchased. You just copy this key from here. You can also view the website where this license key is added. Now you will go to your WordPress website. You click add new plugin and click browse. Select the plugin you downloaded. Click install now. Click activate. Okay. That should be it. Now, if you go to the plugins tab, because this plugin is a pro version and the free version is not this, you need to install the free version. So let me install the free version. So now you need to click here and add the license key, which should be here somewhere. Okay, these are all seems to be expired. Okay, let me try this one. And click activate. So that's how you activate the license key and install the Pro version. So this is almost the same for all our plugins. Each plugin settings is different. So you need to find the proper license key tab and add your license key from there. Thank you.